Hi, baby.
Papa?
Come over here.
Good job. Yay! Good job.
Come on.
She's like, that's too far, Dad.
You got one too? That's neat. Come bring it here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Come on. Come on. Now, you tried.
It was a good try, honey.
I'm going to grab it. Here. Here. Come on. Come get it.
She's like, I'll just crawl over there.
Oh, you sneaky. Come on.
Stand up here. Yeah. Show Dad.
Neato. What is that?
It's your farm animal book.
Hmm?
Oh. Down you go. You stood there for a long time by yourself, though.
Hi, baby.